replacement clutches are just that. They're a stock replacement for your stock vehicle. They're going to include an OEM style pressure plate, and if that original application used a lever style Board and Becker or long style, that's the pressure plate you're going to get in our kit. We do not do substitutions. Clutch disc wise, it's going to be a 5 or 6 spring hub, some with double spring. Now if it's a later model application, it may have a helix hub, but double sprung, that helps to take up for noise in the drivetrain on some of the later model transitions. Now each clutch set's going to include the pressure plate, the clutch disc, the alignment tool, and in most cases you'll have the release bearing as well. Some of the later model applications that use an internal hydraulic bearing, that bearing is not included with that kit. Use Ram OEM replacement clutches for stock applications and street driven vehicles that are not going to see any performance use.